Hey, we're gonna have a little discussion about Vail here in a moment, but right now I'm about to rip a bowl. This type of bowl, not the other one. Is this April right now? Woo! Holy smokes, it's just like powder day after powder day this last week. We're pretty excited. Today is the last day on the backside of Stevens, which we've only had like 2 months on the backside, which is a bummer, but at least we get to enjoy powder back there, and hopefully the lines aren't crazy like it was a couple days ago. This powder is super light and fluffy, so hopefully we don't just sink down to the ice layer below, and we can stay up top and have a fantastic time up here. You've got to be kidding me. It's the last day for backside to be open, and they don't even have one of the 2 lifts running. Like, you've got to be joking, right? This is how it's been all year at Stevens. Just when you think things are getting a little bit better, they frickin' do something like this. It's the last day, and it's a frickin' powder day. You've got to be kidding. This is so frustrating. I don't know what to say. And they don't post any of this until everybody's already at the mountain. And how do you check? That was way more of a flatland than I expected. All right, we try to be as positive as possible, especially with all the challenges that's been going on at this mountain and across Vail resorts in general. And we absolutely love Stevens Pass. We've been coming here for a couple decades. This is the best terrain we can ride. It's awesome up here, get tons of snow. But when you have a company that is as large as Vail and they can't seem to operate a single ski resort effectively, things have got to change, and it's very difficult to continue to give them money. I mean, this week they had an inbounds avalanche at Whistler that killed someone, and I understand they're in a catch-22 there. They have, all this powder. If they take time to fully do avalanche control, then people will complain that they can't run a resort because they take too long to open up on a powder day. I get it. So instead, they have to cut some corners and just try to open it, which leads to safety issues like inbound avalanches. I get it. But when you then have people, ski patrollers, that are posting about what happened and showing, how to make changes and all that type of stuff, and their PR team comes out and tells you to remove your post because it makes them look bad, that's not good. We need to learn from these different safety issues and how avalanches work and all that stuff, and provide education for the public, bare minimum. So you couple that with the fact that none of their resorts have been operated at full capacity this year. They're the only resort here in Washington that is not fully staffed, and for some reason they blame it on the pandemic, even though all the other resorts can fully operate and fully be staffed. It's not a pandemic, it's your business. So figure stuff out. You got 6 months before the next season, 8 months maybe. What are you gonna do? Your stocks keep plummeting. People are not happy. Time to make a change, Vail. It's on you. Alright, that was our farewell to the backside. Hopefully it'll be back open in less than 10 months and we can be back here right next season. But as you can see, it's back to snowing. It's just sun and snow all day today. Couldn't have asked for a better send-off type of day for the backside. This is so good.
Oh my God. Oh.
Watch out, creek holes, creek holes.